Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my recipe of how to make Nasi Lemak. This is the way I make them. Come, let's go to the recipe. So I'm going to use 2 onion, and this is red onion, small red onion, about 3/4 size of this onion. If you don't have this small red onion, you can use the red onion, the normal one. About 3 of this size, and this is 21 dry chili. I've soaked them in hot water, and I'm going to grind this later. But first I'm going to grind all this first, followed by, after that I'm going to grind this. And I'm going to use this anchovies. I'm going to fry this anchovy. First I'm going to wash and drain this. Then I'm going to fry, and I'm going to use the same oil for the Nasi Lemak sambal. And this is the belacan that I'm going to use. It's like in a paste form. So I'll be sauteing this with the oil first. I'm going to grind this. I'm going to grind the chili. I've grind the chili. None of this I added any water. So this grinder I don't have to add any water. Be right back. I'm heating up 6 tablespoons of peanut oil. I'm going to fry the anchovy. Once you see the bubble lessen, you can now remove the anchovy. Now I'm going to saute the onion and the ginger garlic. This is the onion. So I'm going to saute this until it turns slightly brown. So this will be like 3 minutes. It's about 4 minutes. You can see the oil separating. So this is like just nice for me to put in the belacan. So I'm going to use about 3/4 tablespoon. So if you're using the normal belacan, use about half. This is like liquid form. I'm going to saute this for 3 minutes. I don't have fresh pandan. I have the frozen pandan leaves. I'm going to put the pandan leaves together here. Separate it now. I'm going to put the chili. So this, we're going to fry this at least about 20 minutes. So when it gets dry up, you have to pour in water and then saute again. So in total it might be 20 minutes. I will let you know. It's about 1 cup of water so I'm going to pour about 1/4 cup. Now it's about 5 minutes. I'll pour in after another 5 minutes. I'll pour the water again. So now it's about 3 minutes. So 1 cup of water I've poured in. So I'm going to simmer this and let it cook well. Halfway through I'll pour in the tamarind juice. So all in all I only pour 1 cup of water. So when you are grinding, when you pour the water, just measure up and make sure you don't pour too much. So work with that. Tamarind juice. 3 tablespoons of tamarind juice. The tamarind juice you have to gauge, because certain brand has certain kind of sourness level. So after 2 minutes I'm going to put the coconut sugar. The saltiness is just nice, so I'm not adding in any salt now. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons. So let's see how it goes. It's almost half an hour. Another 5 minutes more, it'll be half an hour. So to cook this sambal, the Nasi Lemak sambal took me half an hour for this quantity. Okay, this is how it has to be. Should not be watery. It should be this way. Okay, it's done. I'm going to switch off. Now we're going to work on the rice. I have basmati rice, 3 rice cooker cup. So I'm going to put in coconut cream 1 cup, water 4 cup. I'm going to put ginger, organic ginger. That's what I got over here. So I slice them this way and I'm going to put it in. Put pandan leaf, screwpine, and this is frozen. So that's the best I could get. Right. So now I'm going to pour the coconut milk. Using the Kara coconut milk, I'm going to have 1 cup. Kara coconut milk. So left 4 cups of water. So 1, 1 teaspoon of salt. So I'm going to let this boil. I'm going to put a high heat. So once the mixture over here boils, that's why I'm going to cover and put to the lowest heat. Cook for 10 minutes. Starting to boil now. Reduce your stove to the lowest. Once you reduce to the lowest, close it and set the timer for 10 minutes. And then you check. I'll be back. Now another 5 minutes to go. I'm going to just swirl this. I'll come back after 5 minutes. Okay, it's already 5 minutes up. This is done. I'm now going to fry egg. I break 3 eggs here, a little bit turmeric. Sprinkle in a salt and a bit the egg. Come, let's plate. This is how the sambal is. Let's put the sambal here. Try, share with your friends. Let me know in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I shall see you in my next upload. Bye.